A deep understanding of the user can make or break an open data ecosystem. That is why user experience research plays an important role in reducing uncertainty about user needs. In this video, we will explore how UX research can be applied within open data ecosystems. Let's introduce Nina. She leads a team responsible for designing a new open data platform. As a manager, Nina represents just one of many stakeholders in the open data ecosystem who can benefit from UX research. In turn, the Open Data Portal is just one of many digital products and services related to open data that can be analyzed. In the past, it was common for open data providers to launch projects without taking the time to study the users. As a result, the data release often failed to align with expectations or lack usability. Instead, Nina has decided to implement a user-driven open data portal. To accomplish this, she has deployed a UX research strategy. At the early stages of the product development cycle, generative research is conducted to answer fundamental questions about user needs, pain points, and desires. The insights obtained from this research are useful for guiding future product design and development. Nina has started in-depth interviews with key project stakeholders. This is an example of qualitative research technique. This type of research is key for uncovering the why behind people's actions, motivations, and problems. Examples of qualitative research techniques also include field studies, focus groups, and daily studies. Nina later turned to a survey to gather input from hundreds of potential portal users regarding the datasets they prioritize for the future site. Surveys are an example of a quantitative research technique. Other examples of quantitative methods include eye tracking, tree testing, and web analytics. Quantitative research is employed to collect and analyze numerical data, aiming to answer questions such as what, where, or when. Combining quantitative and qualitative methods in UX research provides a comprehensive view of user behavior by merging objective data with insights on user needs and motivations. Once a direction is selected, design and development start. During this phase, UX research methods are mostly employed to identify and address usability issues, guiding improvements as open data products or services evolve. Up to this point, the development team has produced a working prototype, and it has recruited a group of representative users. She has also designed a series of tasks for these users to perform on the prototype portal. The goal is to assess their experience, identify usability issues, and address them before the official launch. This technique is known as usability testing, and its application can substantially reduce the risk of product failure. Finally, the big day has arrived, and Nina and her team are celebrating the launch of a new user-driven open data portal. However, UX research doesn't stop there. After an open data service has been launched, it should be regularly evaluated to ensure it continues to meet expectations and to identify areas for improvement that will enhance its value over time. For this stage, Nina's team has incorporated a full set of web metrics into its platform. Web Analytics tracks and analyzes user interactions such as clicks and navigation paths. This data helps identify patterns in user behavior and highlights areas for improving the overall web experience. Taking advantage of UX research can be challenging. The vast amount of information it generates can be overwhelming, making it difficult to organize, prioritize, and clearly communicate your findings. But tools like user personas and journey maps can effectively summarize and communicate your main findings in an engaging way. As you can see, we have indirectly shown the application of these tools through Nina's case example. Now let's review the key lessons we have learned in this video. First, UX research methods can significantly contribute to the development of sustainable open data ecosystems. Second, the application of UX research is not confined to a single point in time. It's an ongoing process that influences all phases of the life cycle of open data products and services. Third, to maximize the benefits, it is useful to combine various qualitative and quantitative techniques, providing a holistic understanding of users and their needs. Finally, adopting UX research can be challenging. It requires time, effort, and commitment. It also may initially face resistance in organizations unfamiliar with this approach, but keep going. The benefits for the users are well worth the effort.